If you're in the market for a network cable tester, then you've come to the right video. These are our top 5 network cable testers in 2024 and going in to 2025. And to be clear, we are not sponsored by any of these companies. We chose these 5 testers according to features, specifications, performance, size, style, and of course price. Alright guys and gals, cable tester number 2. This is the best fiber network cable tester on this list. This is the Noyafa NF8508 network cable tester with optical power meter. And the 8508 has a plethora of features, including a PoE tester. It can also test RJ11, RJ45, Cat5e, and Cat6 cables. And it also includes a continuity test and quality control. And the 8508 also includes port flashing and cable length measurement. But what makes this cable tester different from the other testers on this list is that it can test fiber cables. It includes an optical power meter as well as a VFL function, visual fault locator. And this gives you a total of 9 different functions for cable testing. And the 8508 even includes a line trace meter with headset. Both the cable tester and line trace meter are well built and rugged and should hold up under heavy use. And good news, this cable tester does not require batteries. It can be easily charged with a Type-C power cord. And my 2 favorite features of the 8508 is the large full-color LCD screen and the easy-to-use navigation buttons. The Noyafa NF8508 is currently priced at $119.99, making this the best fiber network cable tester on this list. And the product link will be in the description below.